Yo, what's going on? You already know where I'm at, man. I'm at Revzilla down here at the Navy Yard, and I come to pick up some things, man. I just needed a new helmet, so tell me what y'all think about this joint, because the one I got is moving around, and I'm finna sell it. But this sleekness right here, that's what I'm looking for. I like this. I like this a lot, and I'm gonna change the visor. So I'm not gonna give y'all everything, but this the helmet that I'm going with. Tell me what y'all think, man. I like it. It's, mind you, my bike is silver with some blue accents, but this is gray, silver with red in it, and I just bought a new pair of boots. So, man, tell me what y'all think, man. I rock with it heavy. I rock with it heavy, though. But we're gonna go with this bad joint, this bad boy, and we're going with a visor and some boots today, man, because I need to be safe out here. My man looking good. My man Mike looking good. Got looking like a crumb ball. Look what I'm riding on, bro. My work sneakers. My man finna take care of me. What's your name? Philippe. Man, you already know. Check my man Philippe out. He taking care of me. Come down here at Revzilla. All kinds of goodies, backpacks, MotoGP stuff, gloves, wall full of helmets, boots in the back. Y'all come down here and get what y'all need, man. I'm finna go ahead and purchase this, and then I'm gonna head on out though. But y'all tell me what y'all think about that helmet, man. I'm gonna get a visor, grab me some boots though. And I gotta go to work, man. I gotta go shoot for my company. So what's going on, y'all? I already know, man. Back with another video. You rocking with your boy, man, Hellberry. Or go follow my new page, man. I'm gonna leave a link right there in this GSXR1K, man. And that's my new page for the bike. But as you can see, she looking pretty. To me, she dusty because all this pollen. But on camera, she not gonna look like that. Get this thing started. I love this bike, man. Alright, there she go. Bro, she don't scream that loud on a startup, but when you ride that John, bro, that
hey yo, what the fuck?
John definitely loud. I'm gonna let her warm up to like 165. Then I gotta get some gas, and then we out. I had to do a safety check real quick. My helmet, I forgot to put the strap on. All good. So we got about like a 25 minute ride. I'm about to kill this joint. We're supposed to be going on the 23rd to the 25th, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, for Black Bike Week. Y'all stay tuned for that. That's definitely gonna be a movie. It's gonna be my first time out Black Bike Week. Thank y'all for supporting the channel too, man. Then I have my YouTube channel, which is Hellberry, HELLBERRYY, Hellberry. That channel was made for like racing, like my car page, but I no longer have my car. But I got the GSXR 1000 now, and I posted my first video, and that joint got 1.1K. That's a big accomplishment for me, because that's a video outside of my car, and I didn't think it was going to do that well, but y'all obviously rock with me, so I appreciate the support and love. Y'all continue to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, man. Get it out there. I'm going to go hard regardless.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest.
That's my favorite line to say. I gotta learn my auto blip downshift. I gotta get it together, because every time I do it, it make the bike jump like this. So I need to learn how to downshift, hold the clutch, and blip the throttle all at the same time. There we go.
Control out, lock your arm at your side. You're gonna fire one shot from the hip in 2 seconds, and then return to the holster on the whistle. Is ready? On the whistle. So there's 3 shots, 2-hand, strong hand, point shooting in 3 seconds. Empty mag reload, scan, cover, and hold. On the whistle.
Would you look at that, man? I come back from shooting on my bike, and it's a ladybug on my bike, man. That's good luck. If anybody know what that means, that's definitely good luck. But I shot horrible today, but it is what it is. I passed, so at the end of the day, I still go to work. If you don't pass, you don't go to work. And you gotta wait for another qualification day, so at least I passed, but I'm gonna transfer the camera over to my helmet, and we're gonna rock out. All right, y'all, so I'm back home, man. I had to rush home from work, but we back home, we relax, and we about to service this chain. Cause like I said, I washed the bike, and I know it's like all the oil that was on it from the factory off, so it's not running as good as it's supposed to be. So we got our brushes, so that way we can brush the bike or clean it. I said brush the bike. We can brush the chain off or scrub it off, and we got our 3 cans, man. We got 1, 2, and 3. Clean up, multi-purpose, permanent lube, and we got chain guard. So we about to service this bad boy, man. Like they say, if you don't work on your own bike, then you're not a real rider. So without further ado, I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna get it cracking. Let's do it. I forgot to mention that I picked this up at Harbor Freight. It's motorcycle wheel cleaning stand. So we're gonna try this out. So basically these move so that way your wheel can move and you can turn it so the chain can spin and I can clean it properly. So we're gonna test this joint out, and I'll let y'all know my final thoughts at the end.